So Gemma, where are we?
The land of the legends.
And how do you feel?
I feel like they're the Amazons.
They're great, aren't they?
Yeah.
And me and Gemma are going around Land of Legends in this lovely boat. And we know how to live, don't we? Don't we know how to live? Oh yeah, look at that. By boat is a good way to cope. Shine on, ladies and gentlemen. Land of Legends by boat. You need to know. Land of Legends by boat. What do you got to say about this? How do you feel?
Incredible.
Yeah?
I feel so amazed right now.
Is this just like what dreams are all about?
Yeah. Amazement on my face.
There you go, ladies and gentlemen. I have this effect on everyone. Don't I? Wow. Shine on. Great driver. Hello drivers, peace and love. We like you. Good man. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah. Show boats.
Okay.
Look, we have show.
Oh, amazing.
Boats, yeah. If you have time, you can look at this fantastic show.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
It's amazement. Shine on.